Saint Francis, our brother, you who 800 years ago went to meet Sister Death as a man at peace, intercede for us before the Lord. You recognize true peace in the crucifix of San Damiano. Teach us to seek in him the source of all reconciliation that breaks down every wall. You who, unarmed, cross the lines of war and misunderstanding, give us the courage to build bridges where the world raises up boundaries. In this time afflicted by conflict and division, intercede for us so that we may become peacemakers, unarmed and disarming witnesses of the peace that comes from Christ. Amen.